Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas fireplace mantle decoration ideas. Your fireplace mantle in the heart of your living room at Christmas time to create a warm and classical look. Start with a lace green garland made of pin or fire. Let it flow gently across the mantle. Add bright red ornaments, poinsettia, and a big velvet bow for a bold, festive touch. Place golden bells or small candles along the garland to bring it in a little spark. To finish, hang matching red and green stocking under the mantle. This timeless style never goes out of fashion and makes your living room feel truly merry and bright. Winter Wonderland mantle. Turn your fireplace mantle into a snow scene with a winter wonderland. Then use a forest garland or spray artificial snow or fresh greeny. Add silver ornaments with flowers and sparkling snowflakes. Place the tail with the candle or fairy lights across the mantle of creative a soft glow. For extra charm, add little reindeer or snowman's. This mantle look calm, peaceful, and elegant, like a snow night right inside your home. If you love a cozy farmhouse vibe, go for a rustic mantle. This Christmas start with a nature garland of pine branches, pine cones, and twigs. Add burlap bob or ribbon for a country feel. Place lantern or wooden candles holder on each side of the mantle for a charming touch. Hang kitchen stocking and add a string of feel welcoming, homely, and perfect for family gathering by the fire. Golden gleam mantle. Bring luxury into your living room with the golden crispy mantle. Use a green garland as your base, then fill it with golden ornaments, glittery leaves, and sparkling ribbon. Place tell golden candles holder on each side of the mantle for balance. A few white this flower will soften the look and make it elegant at night. The lights will reflect on the golden sand and make the wall room glowing with holiday glamour. Santa workshop and make your mantle fun and playful with Santa workshop theme. Start with a garland and candy canes, little toy ornaments, and colorful bubbles. Hang stocking with bright patterns and place small gift boxes along the mantle. Add a center figure in the center of even a small train set for extra magic. This cheerful look is especially great if you have kids. It feels like Santa will come down the chimney any moment. Nature woodland maintain bring the beauty of the forest indoor with a nature woodland Christmas winter start with a fresh green garland made of means lets it drop down the side of your fireplace or a nature flow tick in pincons, aragon and a few wooden ornaments for a rustic forest look. Add soft white fairy lights to make the greenery glow in the evening. You can even place small wooden land animals like deer, owl or to make it feel magical. This style is simple, earthly and give your living room the cozy feeling of snow cabin in the wooden winter blue, white and blue forestry. For a cool, elegant touch, this Christmas decoration yet maintaining forestry, white, blue start with a snow garland, either forest green or artificial snow-covered branches. Add light blue ornaments, twisted cell and silver snow for spark. Place all white candle or glowing lantern along the stair to create a claim winter glow. To finish, hang blue and white stocking to match this forest winter feels fresh, modern, perfect if you love a drama winter wonderland inside your home. If you like a clean and simple look, try a modern Christmas winter. Use a plain green garland with just a few white and golden ornaments. Place 3 candles, tallow candles, or lanterns. Spread across the winter for balance instead of heavy decoration. Add just one or two statement pieces like a star in the center or a sleek Christmas tree. Keep stocking plain and simple, maybe in mint, white or cream. This style is elegant, easy to put together and gives your home a chic and Christmas look. Candle glow mentally. Nothing feels warm at Christmas than the glow of candle. For this style, place a full green garland across your mantle, then add candles of different height along the lights. The safe LED candles if you prefer, or real ones for a traditional touch. Add pincons, sticks and berries around the candles for a festive scent. When the lights are low, the flickering glow will make your living room feel cozy, romantic and full of holiday spirit. It's perfect winter for relaxing night by the fire. Family memories winter. Turn your fireplace window into a wall of memories. This Christmas start with a simple green garland as a base. Then add fired family photos from past holiday. Little ornaments that have special meaning or even handmade crafts from the kid. Place talking with each family member's name under the mantle, add fairy lights to tie it all together. This style is not just about beauty, it's about love, warmth, and the memories you share as a family during the holiday season. Vintage mantle step back in time with a vintage Christmas mantle that feels straight out of a store. Holiday start with a thick garland filled with dark green pins and holly leaves, a deep red roses, velvet bow, and shining glass ornaments full of for that rich old-fashioned charm. Place brass candle holder or oil lamps along the mantel for a warm golden glow.